Early Indicators Brief is happy to introduce the Probability Brief. For the time being, we will post these episodes on the Early Indicators Brief channels. They will post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please enjoy this episode for Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Welcome to the Probability Brief, a twice-weekly intelligence update from Evolvent. This show examines how the world's most important events are being priced in real time, and what those probabilities reveal about the forces shaping politics, technology, economics, and global risk. Every Tuesday and Friday, we break down the markets that moved, the ones that stalled, and the ones that quietly signaled something deeper. We look at the incentives behind the trades, the narratives driving sentiment, and the structural pressures that push probabilities higher or lower. Prediction markets sit at the intersection of news, psychology, finance, and public behavior. They react to headlines, but they also react to attention, emotion, and coordinated influence. Our goal is to help you understand not just what the numbers are, but why they changed, who might be behind the movement, and what the shifts could mean for the weeks ahead. Some episodes focus on political dynamics. Others explore regulatory momentum, technological disruption, or macroeconomic stress. And sometimes, a single unexpected trade tells a story that deserves its own spotlight. This show is independent in tone and structure, but it lives in the same broader universe as Early Indicators Brief. When a major structural signal overlaps with a major market move, we'll acknowledge the connection. But the Probability Brief stands on its own. It is built for listeners who want clarity, context, and a clean narrative arc around the probabilities that shape public expectations. Each episode is designed for easy listening, whether you follow prediction markets closely or simply want a concise, well-structured briefing on how the crowd is interpreting the world. We avoid jargon, we avoid noise, and we focus on the signals that matter. You'll hear about whale trades, mispriced markets, correlation plays, narrative cascades, and the subtle shifts that often precede major moves. You'll also hear when the market gets it wrong, when sentiment outruns reality, and when a quiet data point hints at a larger story. The Probability Brief is part of Evolvent's growing intelligence portfolio, offering a fast, disciplined, and accessible way to track how events are being priced. Whether you're a trader, a strategist, a policymaker, or simply someone who wants to understand the world through a sharper lens, this show is built to give you a clear, structured, and reliable briefing twice a week. Thank you for listening, and welcome to the Probability Brief.